Hey guys, so I was working on this really exciting project recently, and I think it turned out pretty darn well. Okay, wait, before we go any further though, let's change up the scene a bit. Hey guys, today I want to talk to all of you about beautiful character portraits and spicy models. Well, you can adjust how spicy it is, of course. When I first started making models, it just wasn't easy. Things were pretty frustrating, and I wasn't able to understand why my works didn't give off that sort of wow factor that I was going for. So I set off, and over many years of testing, failing, trying different methods, developing my own methods, I finally created a process that I'm ready to share with you guys, so you don't have to make all the mistakes that I've made over the years. So in this series of over 15 hours of lessons, you're basically going to learn that process, and not only am I going to walk you through modeling from a cube to this entire portrait, complete with flowers, leaves, and like all this good stuff, like circular lighting as well, and just like all these insane features. I'm also going to show you how to make a rigged model that also features the spicy version, so we're going to do texturing for that as well. And yeah, it looks pretty good. But there's another thing about all of this that a lot of people don't talk about. So basically a lot of people message me saying things like, oh, I want your shaders, and this and that. But I think a lot of people don't realize is that it's not the shaders that makes it look good, it's the observational techniques. And when you join, you'll also get access to my 10-page guide that basically goes over all of the observational techniques that I've developed over the years, and I basically use to, like ensure that my works come out high quality pretty much. Anyways, I like to call this observational method that I use the layered method, and basically I'm going to teach you all of that inside as well. And in this course, I'm also going to walk you through the values of the face as well. So like certain areas of the face are darker or brighter, and there's general patterns for these things that I'm going to show you there. And also we're going to be talking a little bit about, the colors of the face, like the lips being red, certain areas around the eyes being red, like those things too, we're going to bring up. And if all of that isn't enough for you, you're also going to be gaining access to my koi pond tutorial and my sunflower tutorial as well, which basically that's another 6 hours of content that's basically just designed to level up your skill in making, like shaders, models, animations that give off that sort of wow factor. You're also going to receive access to my Windy Armature add-on and the Blender Anime Oceans add-on as well, which are add-ons that I developed a bit in the past, and overall that's like $15 worth of add-ons there. So if you're as interested in I am as making like beautiful characters that give off a shock value that basically, makes people stop scrolling and check out your work, then I really think this is a place for you to be, and I'll see you inside.